Hello everyone. 3,000. Thank you for reaching 3,000 subscribers. I want to thank each one of you. You are my big family. You are amazing people. I know it's only 3,000 subscribers, but inshallah, I believe I can see that. If you keep giving me the motivation, I will reach 1 million and more than 1 million one day. So let's go now to the 4,000 subscribers. This is my or our next goal. So thank you all one by one. You are the people who believed in me as an Arabic teacher. Let's go. I am your friend, your teacher, Amin Muhammad. Thank you 3,000 times. Salam.